Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add contact using QR code in Telegram. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Telegram account. Go to the Telegram group that you want to share its QR code. Click on the Add Member button. Select the target members whom you wish to invite to join your group. Tap the Invite to Group via Link option. Copy the generated link. Then go to any web browser and search for a QR code generator. Enter the generated link and click Generate QR Code. Using the invite link from Telegram, we have now generated a QR code using free QR code generator website. Share the generated QR code with specific people. Once they receive the QR code via any means, including email or other social media accounts, they can scan it. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.